We are back in Blackhall to see the transformation of this 3-bed house. Now, when we left last time, it needed a little bit of, well, complete gutting. Let's see what magic Jive Property have worked. Let's take a look. Hi, Will. Hi, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
Oh my goodness, look at this kitchen.
Yeah, welcome back.
Is this the same house?
It is, believe it or not, yeah. We've ripped everything out and it's brand new, so brand new kitchen, new cooker, it's had new electrics, new plumbing everywhere.
Should we go take a look?
Excellent, let's go.
Fab. Oh, fantastic.
This was the dining room of sorts before.
There was questionable wallpaper, I believe.
There was hoovers that had never been used.
Oh wow, this is fantastic. What a difference. You can see because it's all white as well, it just looks nice and clean,
yeah.
Which is exactly what you want from a bathroom, really, isn't it?
Exactly the opposite of what it looked like before, yeah.
This room is massive.
You notice the fireplace is gone.
Yeah.
That's where this was before. The grey wall was promised.
And obviously with that new plumbing as well, you probably don't even need the fireplace, I would
There you
imagine.
go, there's radiators that
perfect.
actually work now, which would be a treat, and you need those in the northeast.
So how many man hours have gone into this? Because there is a lot
It's been
done with this
a
house.
few weeks of pretty solid work for 3 or 4 guys.
So when are you expecting this house to be then lived in?
It will be moved into within 2 or 3 days of today. So it's gone from an empty, horrible house to actually improving the area, keeping the families happy, everyone wins.
Such a fantastic job has been done on this house, and even lovelier, it's being let to the neighbours' family as well. Join us next month when we delve in to more property transformations.